Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Anchor on your Wix website. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have this specific page of my Wix website editor. Now, for example, I want to scroll down and I want to head over to this part of the page wherein I can see my products. What I can do is I can actually add an Anchor right here. So just click on this Add Elements button. And then from in there, you can see this menu in Anchor. And then in there, you can see this Anchor right here. So let's head over and then click on this and drag this to the specific part of our product. Now you can see that we have now an Anchor in here. So we can name it an Anchor 1, or we can also rename it product, since under this are the products that I have. Now as you can see, this is now the Anchor that we have created. Now we can actually link that to a specific part of our website. For example, we can link it to this shop page right here. Then from there, click on this link. And then from in there, you should be able to see the option for section or Anchor. Now on this page, we have this page right here. And then we're on the page, let's click on this one. And then let's find the Anchor, which is this products. Then click on done. Then once you have done that, we can actually see a preview of it. So let's see a preview of it in order to see how it will work. So it will load the preview for us in just a few seconds. So let's just wait for this. Then as you can see, we have now see this. Now let's try to click on the shop button. Then once we have clicked on that, we should be able to be redirected to the specific part of a page wherein we have the products. So as you can see, it has been redirected to this one. There's only a slight delay because of the rendering process, since this is actually newly added. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because this will help me reach more people. See you soon.